Hello students, welcome to English class. In the previous classes we have done present continuous tense and past continuous tense. So today we will be doing future continuous tense. Okay, as the name suggests, future continuous tense are actions that will happen in the future. Actions that will happen in the future in a continuous manner. Okay. Future continuous tense is used to talk about actions that will happen in the future and continue for an expected time. Okay, it will continue for some time. Okay, please look at our example where this boy is saying, I will be staying here until Sunday. I will be staying here until Sunday. So as it is a continuous tense, our action verb is stay. Stay के साथ हमने ing डाला है, you know, because it is continuous tense. अभी हमने इसको future कैसे बताएंगे? How will we tell them that it is going to happen in the future, not in the present, not at past, but it will happen in the future. This word will be, will be, will tell us that it is going to happen in the future. Okay, so every time in order to make it a future continuous tense, we will be adding will be along with our action verb and an ing. Okay, look at the next sentence. The postman will be coming soon. Okay, as I already told you, coming, come के साथ हमने ing डाला है to show it is a continuous tense, and will be will tell us it is going to happen in the future. Okay, look at our next sentence. We will be eating breakfast tomorrow at around 6 a.m. Okay children, in this sentence if we just say we will be eating breakfast, it can happen any time in the future, but यहाँ पर specify किया है कि around 6 a.m. मतलब 6 a.m. के आसपास हम ब्रेकफास्ट खाएंगे. कब खाएंगे? कल, फ्यूचर में. ओके, वी विल बी ईटिंग ब्रेकफास्ट टुमारो एट अराउंड 6 a.m. ओके, 6 a.m. के आसपास हम ब्रेकफास्ट खाएंगे. दिस इज एक्चुअली गिविंग अस मोर इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द टाइम अराउंड विच we will be eating breakfast. If we just say we will be eating breakfast, this will say that in the future हम breakfast खाएंगे. Okay? Okay. Look at this third example. In this third example, a man is saying, by the end of the year, most people will be buying our product. इसमें भी एक time mention किया है, by the end of the year. इस साल के एंड तक. ओके, बाय द एंड ऑफ द ईयर मोस्ट पीपल विल बी बाइंग आवर प्रोडक्ट. हियर आई थिंक द प्रोडक्ट इज अ मोबाइल फोन विच इज होल्डिंग इन हिज हैंड. ओके, सो ही इज सेइंग मोस्ट पीपल विल बी बाइंग आवर प्रोडक्ट बाय द एंड ऑफ दिस ईयर, बाय द एंड ऑफ द ईयर. हियर विच इज द एक्शन वर्ब? एक्शन वर्ब इज बाय. बाय के साथ हमने ing डाला है टू show it is in the continuous tense, and will be is telling us it's going to happen in the future. Okay, I have more examples for you kids. Look at the first example here. I will be eating a cake tomorrow. He will be walking to school. She will be singing a song next year. It will be barking at us when we go near the gate. We will be going to work soon. You will be watching a movie after dinner. They will be having a party next week. Okay, if you notice in all these sentences, even though the subjects are singular like I, he, she or it, these all are singular subjects, and we, you, they all are plural subjects. But we have used will be with all these subjects. Okay, so future continuous tense में students, we don't have to change our helping words as per the singular or plural subjects like we did in past and present continuous tenses. Okay, this is very simple. For all the subjects हमें बस will be ही डालना है and हमारे main verb और the action verb के साथ हमें ing डालना है. Okay, future continuous tense is simple. But in order to make it more clear, I have an assignment for you. So please finish your assignment and send it to me. Okay, we will discuss this in the live class too. Okay, so note down all your doubts. We will discuss in the live class. Okay, until the next class, take care. See you soon. Bye bye.